Hey guys, Green Leo Man here. It's that time of year again where I get the truck simulator all set back up and continue evolving it into something even bigger and better than it is now. But for now, it's just set up, so I'm gonna go pick up a trailer. You might as well come along for the ride.
Welcome to Simulator Saturdays.
Alright guys, thanks for joining me for this video. I will make some ride videos very soon, but in the meantime, if you like this video and you want to see more great videos from my channel, feel free to watch this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.